Welcome to the month of March. I heard this old saying, March comes in like a lion and out like a lamb. Well, it's my hope that this is a true statement because of the winter that we've had. As we go through the month of March, I want you to know that we're going to do everything in our power to continue to build a legacy. In this video, you're going to learn about things that are happening across our school at each grade level. Listen and learn. And please continue to do whatever you can to support our school, as we will continue to do any and everything to support you, but most importantly, the scholars that come to our school each and every day ready to learn. Again, let's have an amazing March. Welcome to the month of March, and listen and learn.
Hi OPR families, this is Miss Gemma here in pre-K. Happy March. I can't believe it's already about to be spring. As the weather is changing, please keep that in mind when you're dressing your children. We are going out to the playground, so make sure their coat is appropriate for the weather. Please keep reviewing those letters and sounds with them at home. We're working towards building some readers that are getting ready for kindergarten. And we do have 2 field trips coming up in April, so keep an eye out in Wednesday folders because permission slips will be coming home soon. Thank you.
Hi kindergarten families, it's Mrs. Livesey with a few updates in the areas of academics. In math this month we are working on teen numbers. So a teen number is a number that starts with a 1. And in literacy we're working on 2 components, story element, which are characters, setting, and major events that happen, as well as our stories share a message. So thinking, what can we learn from our stories? Thank you.
Hi first grade families, I'm Mrs. Thomas, one of the first grade teachers here at Old Post Road Elementary School, here with our March updates. In math this month, we're working on place value concepts, building and counting numbers with 10s and 1s. In reading and writing, we're really focusing on using text features in nonfiction text to help us learn more about the topic and to write more about a topic. Look forward to our Learn With Me on March 27th from 1:15 to 2:15. We sent a paper in Wednesday folders last week, so please make sure you send that RSVP so we know to expect you. And lastly, look forward this month to information regarding our field trip to the Maryland Zoo in Baltimore coming up this spring.
Hello, second grade families, Miss Potter here with an update for our newsletter. We are just finishing up all of our addition and subtraction, word problems, finding an unknown number. We're going to be heading into learning about money and time. So if you want to kind of start working with your kiddos, what each coin is or names, that's going to be a big help when we start. Please remember, send your kids with sneakers. They need them for gym to participate, and we need them for recess so they can play on everything and be safe. Don't forget, they can wear other shoes. You can just bring sneakers and put them in their book bag. Definitely give them time to switch out. Last thing, please remember, check those Wednesday folders, check those agendas for notes. A lot of good communication out, a lot of cool things and fun things with the spring. We make sure everybody is aware of what's going on and can be involved. See you later.
Hi OPR Penguin families, Miss Welch here with some updates from the 3rd grade team. First, we want to make sure you are on the lookout for field trip information coming home this month. 3rd grade will visit the B&O Railroad Museum in April. Unlike our Texas Roadhouse field trip, only online payments will be accepted, so please keep an eye out for the details and permission slip. In math, we are focusing on adding and subtracting fluently within 1,000, so please help your scholar with those skills at home. In reading, we are focusing on distinguishing our own point of view from that of the author of nonfiction texts and supporting our written responses with text evidence. As always, please keep checking and signing your scholars planners nightly, and have a great March.
In March, 4th grade will be studying energy and waves, and in April and May, we will be studying structures and functions. In conjunction with our science unit, we have planned many exciting activities for scholars. Mr. Weininger from APG will visit each class and teach a STEM lesson on battery power. Each class will visit the planetarium at Edgewood Middle School. The topic is structures and processes. Students who demonstrate understanding can use a model to describe that animals receive different types of information through their senses, process the information in their brain, and respond to the information in different ways. The lesson focuses on the difference between sensing and perceiving. We are planning a field trip to the Science Center on March 27th, with more information coming in a Wednesday folder. Be sure your scholar reads 20 to 30 minutes a night, as well as completing assigned math homework. Check your scholar's agenda each night. Happy March, looking forward to spring.
Hello OPR families, I'm Emily Crocker, one of the 5th grade teachers here at OPR, and I'm excited to share with you all of the exciting things happening in March. So first off, coming home in your child's Wednesday folder is an RSVP form for our upcoming Learn With Me. It will be on March 10th. For students on sub-team A, that's Miss Pivick, Miss Middleton, and Miss Mascari's class, that will be from 10:05 to 11:10 on March 10th. And for sub-team B, that's all those other 5th grade classes, will be from 10:50 to 12 o'clock on March 10th. Please make sure you return that RSVP as soon as possible so we can plan for that event. Additionally, and very exciting, I know the kids have been talking about it, is our Harper Glen trip, which will be happening at the end of March. Students have brought home 2 packets for you. The first one is the parent handbook. Please keep that with you at home. It has all of the information that you need. Hang it on the fridge, keep it in an important spot, and make sure you read it front to back. Additionally, you received a colored packet. This is the one that has all the forms that need to be completed. Please complete that and return it to school with your child no later than March 14th. We really need them back by that date so we can plan accordingly for lodging and coordinate with the school nurse and all of that for our trip. Students on sub-team A with Miss Pivick, Middleton, and Mascari will be going on March 24th through 26th, and students on sub-team B with Miss Crocker, Miss Hughes, and Miss Ethereal will be going March 26th through the 28th. Again, all that information is in those packets. Reach out to your child's teacher if you have any questions. Switching gears, talking about what we're learning in our classrooms, we are starting with reading nonfiction text. We are focusing on context clues, meaning looking at a word and figuring out what it means using details around it. We are also analyzing the text structure of our text and determining the main idea. At home, please continue reading with your child and encourage them to get into some nonfiction text at home so that way they can be applying those skills. And in math, we are diving into fractions. The kids are so excited about fractions and they are doing a phenomenal job with it. So we want to keep practicing those multiples and those multiplication facts at home so that they can continue finding equivalent fractions quickly throughout our math lessons. Thank you so much for all you do to support at home. Have a great March.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bain. I'm the librarian in the primary building. I'll be introducing our March activities. In PE, students will practice jump rope and prepare for jump rope for heart. Students will also be learning about the Kids Heart Challenge. Students will participate in the Heart course and jump rope for heart this month. In media, in March, we will be honing our research skills. 2nd graders will be researching an animal. In 1st grade, they'll be researching a planet. In kindergarten, we'll be learning how to use Pebble Go, and in pre-K, we'll be learning to use their visual and listening skills to find answers to questions. In March, 3rd grade will be learning about sea turtles and share their learning on Book Creator. 4th grade will be continuing fiction genre unit. 5th grade will begin their research unit on the stage. In art, while our school is celebrating Women's History Month, students will learn about female artists and create art inspired by them. We're also preparing for the Family Art Night on April 4th. Look for more information in your child's Wednesday folder. In the intermediate building, we're also gearing up for the art show. Our theme this year is Art Across America. We can't wait for our families to see what we've been up to in the art room. In instrumental music, in the primary building, we'll be focusing on patterns in music and how to play as known on the song. Congratulations to our 5th grade performers in the intermediate building for their great job at their band day and string day concerts. Our annual spring concert will be coming up in early May. Please make sure your child is practicing their instrument at home for 10 to 15 minutes a day. In music in the intermediate building, 3rd grade will be working on time signatures and conducting. 4th grade will be learning about the pentatonic scale, and 5th grade will be revisiting solfege and start using fog.
Where did you go? Talking so smooth, carry on a roll. Now you're seeing stars like